here. I'm gonna keep it real. You think you up here grown until your little ass start paying some bills. I'm talking light bill, gas.
Man.
That's gonna kick your ass.
All right, okay, let's do it. All y'all whack like your outfit. I've been making money since 6. I work for me, y'all work for Nick.
That was a crazy wild style. I think I already know who won. DJ D-Rec, let the rest of everybody know.
I got
Likey